The first thing you want to do if your toilet is overflowing is turn off the water to the toilet. There's a valve located near the toilet, usually at the bottom left towards the floor. It's either coming through the floor or out of the wall. And there's that valve. You're going to turn that valve off, usually righty-tighty. Some are quarter turn, where you just flip it 90 degrees and it turns it off. If there's something clogged in the toilet and you end up flushing it again, you're just gonna send that water back on the floor that you just cleaned up. Best way to prevent your toilet from overflowing is not using baby wipes, no diapers, even the flushable wipes are not flushable. If your toilet's over 10 years old, it should be replaced, and having a brand new toilet in good condition, good working order, will definitely help prevent it from overflowing, because you know it's gonna have that flushing power. If the fill valve or the flapper or certain parts that are inside of your tank, if they get old and fail, it won't know when to stop running. If you do experience a toilet that's overflowed in your home, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're open 7 days a week, 365. We work nights, mornings. We'll come out at your convenience. All of our trucks have your standard toilet parts on them. We're usually ready for anything you could possibly need.